How to log into Spark credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Spark credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, capitalone.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of Sign In. Click on it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your Spark credit card account. All you have to do is fill this, provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check it for the option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten the username or password, click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Spark credit card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.